Smell that? It's time for a swing dance reaction video.
No. No. No.
Greetings and salutations. Welcome to Street Smart Swing. My name is Jamin Jackson, also known as the Galactic Swing Dance Umpire! And I am super elated to be scrutinizing another swing video for you today. But first, make sure you subscribe and headbutt that notification button so you never miss a swing dance video from me ever again. I am super excited to be talking about another one of my favorite, most greatest swing dancers of all time, Ryan Calloway. When I think about this dancer, the first thing that comes to mind is a cross between the classic dancer Leon James, a gnome from my backyard, and the comic book character Doctor Strange. His style is so unique and unconventional, just outside of the ordinary, and shall I say, ahead of his time. I'm going to get out of the way, let you guys see his dancing, and I'm going to give you my thoughts right after. When I think about Lindy Hop, guys, I think about the perfect combination of technique and creativity. And it's so hard to find that unique balance. But I'm telling you right now, guys, that Ryan is, for me, one of the top 3 swing dancers of all time. For the things that I actually look for and value in swing dancing, he's beyond the average dancer. This is the kind of guy, when I'm watching his dancing, he can take anything people would say, that's junk, that's throwaway. You don't use that, let's throw that in the trash. And he'll say, no, I can actually use that to make something beautiful and make something look incredible with it. He is so resourceful and sporadic and rigid and musical and weird and all of those eclectic qualities that you want to see in artists, that many times it's hard to just let loose as a dancer and be this free, because it's scary to be free and open. And this dancer has this quality where he just doesn't care, and I love that. He's going to try something that you don't expect, and he'll make it look good. See, for me, the biggest qualities of his style really rest in a couple of areas. He has this ability to be extremely syncopated with his movement. Some people are like, well, what's syncopation? I just say it's a rhythm inside of a rhythm. So if the rhythm is swing, he's doing all these other micro beats on top of that. But he also has like intensity changes. So when you think something is going to flow a certain way, he'll just change the intensity. You think, whoa, what just happened? Did the video skip? For me, his style sits in that bloody intersection of order and chaos. And you don't know what to expect at any time. You might think, oh, he's about to do a swing out. Nope. He's going to do a Texas top. Nope. He just made his partner disappear. Like I said, he is the Doctor Strange of Lindy Hop. Some of my favorite videos of all time have been from social dance footage from this particular dancer. I'm not talking about when I was starting off dancing. You kind of aspire to do what is popular, right? You kind of look to be told what to do. But when you get to a level in your dancing where you know how the dance works, you understand all of the little details of it, but you're really just trying to find what's next. You're trying to do something that hasn't been done and you need inspiration. This is the go-to guy. Like before I mentioned, he's a lot like Leon James. Now, many of you swing dancers, or should I say people who do not swing dance, may not know who Leon James is. He's one of the original dancers that used to dance in the Savoy Ballroom. He didn't create Lindy Hop. He was this generation that came right after. He was known for his weirdness, his quirky pointing and facial expressions, and in movements that just seem superfluous when it comes to dancing with your partner. But that was part of the magic. And I think when I watch Ryan Calloway, he is the reincarnation of that type of dancer. It's extremely rare to have artistic dancers involved in Lindy Hop like this. And many times they're ahead of their time and unpopular in their time because of it. And years later, people will look back and go, wow, this guy was doing stuff that nobody was ever doing. I guess that's the love-hate struggle of being an artist. So what do you think about Ryan Calloway's dancing? You've heard my big, fat, bloated opinion. I think he's awesome. So let me know what you guys think in the comments section. If you're not swing dancing yet, you should. It's not as hard as Ryan makes it look. I'm telling you, it can be done. You can even learn it at home. So check out some of my free courses below. They will help you get on the right track toward Lindy Hop mastery. So if I don't see some of your comments below, hopefully I get a chance to see some of you all in my class online. Take care.